Good morning, Sridhar here once again with a wonderful video today on the topic. One of the requests that has come to me is how to become a successful real estate agent. Good question. Majority of the people are asking the same question. Everybody wants to become successful, but nobody has a clue as to how to become successful. Now, here, this is a very, very interesting subject. So you have to be very carefully noting down, few points. So if you are serious about really becoming a successful real estate agent, then you need to follow these guidelines. First thing is you must have the mind to get up at 4:30 a.m. in the morning. Shocking. You're not able to wake up at 4:30 in the morning. Is that going to be a problem? If it is a problem, then please forget about becoming a successful real estate broker. You can do your business in the normal way like any other 85% of the people. But if you want to be successful in this business, you have to wake up every day at 4:30 a.m. Only one day relaxation is okay. That too, if you wish to. That is on a Sunday, maybe. You can wake up a little late. Not that you can enjoy that day. Sunday is the most busiest day for you because you've got site visits and all those things will happen on the day. But that's the most busiest day. But on that day, it's okay, fine. But Monday to Saturday, you have to wake up at 4:30 a.m. in the morning. Then what do you do after that? Get up in the morning and then list out the tasks that you are supposed to do every day. What are the normal things that you have to do every day? Most difficult job is property posting. Okay. If you post your property on websites, you will get inquiries. So you have to post a minimum of 2 properties every day, minimum of 2 properties. So where do I get these properties? They are all available online. You have to pick up. So I do not know whether you've heard me in the training programs and all that. I always say that in order to become successful real estate person, you need to have inventories in your hand. I told you that when you visit a showroom to buy a shirt or buy a sari, you will find that the showroom is empty without any stocks, right? You will not buy even if they have got excellent piece of sari collection. You will not purchase from them because you will get a feeling that these people don't have stock and they are all so kind of showroom people. So you will come out of that. All the sarees which are available in the showroom, is customer going to buy everything? Not at all. He's going to buy 1 or 2 maximum. Okay, but you need to have these kind of stocks. So similarly, in real estate business, if you don't have inventories in your hand, you are out of the business. 85% of the people are failing only because of this reason. They don't have stock. They come with just 4 properties, 5 properties. With that thing in hand, they will not be able to succeed at all. You must have minimum of 200 properties if you are in cities like Bangalore, Bombay, Calcutta, then Delhi, and such kind of Hyderabad, Chennai. If you are in these kind of cities, then this is the minimum quantity that you must be having, minimum stock. Okay, and on B class, like Hubli, Dharwad, those kind of places, B category cities, anywhere between 75 to 100 properties you must be having on stock. Okay, this is not necessary. It is not necessary that you should sell the entire stock. Out of that, you need to pick up only 20 properties. Those 20 properties should be such a good property that it should come to your mind that if you had the money, you would have purchased those property. That kind of feeling and thinking should come to your mind. If that is a good property, then that property is the one which you have to sell. If you're thinking of selling litigation property just because he is coming and giving you 10% brokerage and you want to sell that, you will fail. Don't do that. If you want to sell any of the illegal properties which are available in the market and they want you to come and do the sales for them and you take up that inventory and try to do some sales, you will fail. Okay. You have to be very honest in your dealing and you should give only the good properties to them. So if you start posting these kind of 2 properties a day, right? What will happen? You will start getting inquiries. When inquiries keep coming to you, then it's the law of average, law of numbers. When you have 1,000 customers leads with you, then out of the 1,000, about 100 site visits will happen over a period of 1 year, and out of that 100 site visits, about 10 of them will get sold. And if 10 of them get sold, and it gives you on an average 2 lakhs as the brokerage amount per property, shortlist such kind of property where it gives you 2 lakhs, then 20 lakhs is possible for you to earn. So this is how you should think of doing business. Okay, so in order to become successful, first step is to get up at 4:30 in the morning and cultivate the habit of posting minimum 2 properties in websites. Okay, and then do the normal follow-ups and other things. List everything that you're going to do on a single and every day. This kind of work can be done even at waking up at about 7:30. You might think 7:30 a.m. or 8 o'clock or something like that. Okay, no. 4:30 a.m. when you get up, you've got enough time to think over. You've got about nearly 2.5 hours to think over. You will actually be doing nothing at the time other than warming up your body, doing exercise for yourself and all that. And that period of time, you will get a lot of good thoughts. Beautiful thoughts will come to you, ideas will come to you. Then you will become disciplined. You will become more conscious about what you should be doing and what you should not be doing. Okay, 7:30, 8 o'clock now is not the right kind of time to get up. Okay, 4:30 at the most, 5 o'clock. You should be in the 5 a.m. club. If you are at 5 a.m. Club, early riser, then success will knock your doors. Okay, hope you like it. And in case you don't like it, please drop the message also here and let me know that how many of you really want to get up at 4:30 or 5 o'clock in the morning and be successful in this business. Okay, all the very best. Thank you so much.